deadheading is the technical term for cutting off the old flowers on plants when they've finished, they've gone past their best. Some plants you chop them all the way down, some of them you're just snipping off the old blooms. There's a handful where you don't need any tools. You can do away with your secateurs. You just get to pluck them out. So the Alstroemeria, known as Peruvian Lily is the common name, been around forever. Very popular with the florists, they're very good as a cut flower. You can use them perennial borders. They can give you a touch of the exotic as well. Now, there used to be plants where they were really quite wild. You had to kind of stake them, they'd flop around. But there's these new varieties now. They're a much stockier plant, much sturdier, much easier to look after. But we've got here, these are just coming out into bloom now. We have here though, these ones starting to look tattered. Now what you would normally do is snip, 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 or snip down, but actually they're a bit of an exception. It's much better just to pull them out. So if we want to come in close and have a see, what I'm going to do is pluck it out. And that does seem like a dodgy thing to do, but actually it stimulates the growth much better. Plant stays looking much tidier as well, and that will soon reshoot from the ground. I said another one, they just come out.